Okay, so we will continue just now the lesson. So we stop at the reachability. So over here, let's discuss about the example for the reachability. So let's look at this question. So the bus route between landmark A, B, C, and D are shown in the directed graph. So question A, which locations are reachable from D? That means start from D. This D, where can I go? Alright. So you can see that D, I can go C. So D, I can go C. So which location I can reach over here from D? So let me highlight for you. D, I can go C. D, I also can go A. And D, I can go B as well by using two-stage pathway. And D, I can go C, and indirectly I can go to A as well. So actually from D, where can you go? You can go C, A, and B. Actually, every vertex you also can go. Depends on how many stage on it. So question B. So list all possible paths from C. That means I want to list out from C, where can I go to? Okay, so let's look at this carefully. So from C, we can go to A using this path, CA. So I write down here, CA. Okay, next one. So C, I can go B as well using this path, CB. CB. And just now, as I say that you can go from C to A, actually you can have another way also. C using these edges also can. This is all one stage pathway. This is all one stage pathway. So continue can I still go anywhere from C? So C, I can go B. By how? C, A, B. C, A, B. Or C, A, B over here. So this one is two-stage pathway. So this one is two-stage. Do you still find any possible answer? Do you still find any possible answer? So that is the answer for this example 1. So let's look at example 2. So represent the one and two-stage pathway in the directed network in a metric form. So first one, let's construct a matrix with 4 rows, 4 columns, and label the rows and columns A, B, C, and D. So let's write down over here. First one I want to do is R1, reachability 1. So make sure you write A, B, C, D. Over here, A, B, C, D. Okay, this is one stage. So how are you going to do over here? So look at A. A, you can go to D 2 times. So that's why here you put 2. The rest, A, you can go B. A, you can go C as well. So here 0. So look at B. So this B, where can you go? B, you only can go C. So that's why here put 1. The rest 0. And C, where you can go? So all the direction is into the C. So C cannot go nowhere. So it's 0 all the way. And how about D? So D only can go C. So here put 1. So continue. We already done one stage. So look at 2 stage. So R2. So I need to do this way as well. Remember, always name column and row. Alright. So let's check carefully over here. So A, can I find any 2-stage pathway? Yes. A, B, C. A, B, C. That means A, I can go to C. And one more over here, I can, forget A, D, C as well. So actually, I have 3 ways from A go to C. So the rest will be 0. And look at B over here. So I straight away put all the 0 already because B do not have any two-stage pathway. So how about C? C cannot go anywhere. So straight away I just put 0. And how about D? So D, do you have any two-stage? Any two line here? No. So this is the answer. Okay, so you already done for the reachability example. So next one, let's move on to the dominance. So actually, what is a dominance over here? So dominance, the meaning is who is the most important, who is the affected one, who is the influencer over here. So let's, for example, so let's say you have 4 basketball players, Abby, Basket, and Dennis, placed off against each other in a series of one-on-one basketball game. So in this game, I have A, B, C, D. So let's do this one. So I want to represent this graphically. So before I represent, please always give a key. So A, I put A, B. So B, C, and D. So first step, put 4 vertices in a circle form. Next one, label the vertices. And look at the question. A beat B. So it means A, you have an edge to the B and the arrow is towards B. That means A is win. Done. So B has no win. That means B not going to win anyone. So done. I cannot draw anything as well. So C beat B and D. So C, I have a line to the B, I win. And C have a line arrow towards D. And D. So D beat B. D beat A as well. So based on this diagram over here, so the dominance metric means I want to find who is the player who wins the most. I want to know who's the player who wins the most over here. So let's look at the second one. So actually the arrow on the edge point to the individual who is defeated. That means over here, A towards B. That means A defeat B. So A win. Yay, A is the winner. And for the second one, B defeat A. So that means that B win, yes. So in this competition, so 2 players over here, which is C and D, are drawn on 2 win each. So how I know it's drawn on 2 win each over here? So let me show you. Alright, so I'm using highlight. So C, I beat B. C, I beat D. And next one, D also win B. D also win A. So actually C and D win the most. But I want to identify actually who is the dominance player over here, who is going to win the most over here. It's not only not C and, that means you cannot identify throughout this way. So therefore, I will show you how to identify the dominance player by performing the dominance matrix. So look at this example 3. So the result of a basketball competition between A, B, C, D are shown in the dominance graph below, which is just now we already draw. So let's look at A. So find the first dominance matrix D1, showing the one-step dominance between the players. So first thing, please construct a matrix. So this is D, stands for dominance right now. So it's actually the same idea as you doing for the reachability. So A, B, C, and D. So A, I can match with B 1 time. The rest will be 0. And B, no win. That's why B 0 all the way. And C, win 2 times, which is B and D. The rest will be 0. And D, just now you say it's win 2 times, which is B and A. The rest will be 0. So I done for first one, first dominant matrix. So let's look at the second dominance matrix. So second one, question B. D2. So that means it's two-step dominant. So is it ready? You can using two edges indirectly to defeat that person. So look at the vertex A. So vertex A, do you have any two stage? No. So I just put 0 all the way. And B, do you have any? No, because B say is no wind. And C, do you have? So C, I can defeat A by C, D, A. So 1. C also can defeat B indirectly by C, D, B. So 1, 0, and 0. And for D, do you have any two stage? Yes, D can defeat B by D, A, B. So here, 1. The rest remain 0. So question B, we're done. So let's look at C. So find the dominance matrix by summing D1 and D2. So over here, we want to find the dominance matrix. So this dominant matrix, they say I need to sum up between this D1 and D2 over here. So let's do it. So I write over here. So A, B, C, D. So you just sum together two lines. So this one becomes 0, 1, 0, 0. So second row B over here is all 0. And the third over here C is 1, 2, 0, 1. And D will be 1, 2, 0, 0. Okay. So next one, D. Find the dominance player by summing the row of the dominance matrix. So right now they ask you to find the dominance player. So how to identify the dominance player is by summing the row. So for first row A, you have 1. It means A only win 1 time, B no. And C indirectly is win 4 times and D win 3 times over here. So compared to the reachability is you summing by column. Right now we're summing by row. So dominance and reachability different is reachability is sum columns, means sum up the total in each column, and for dominance is sum by each of the row to find out who's going to win the most. So based on the diagram, this part C over here, C win 4 times. Therefore, C will be the dominance player. Okay, so unlike the reachability, you need to calculate 1 stage, 2 stage, 3 stage, 4 stage. If the question still can do stage 3, you continue. But dominance only up to 2 stage, D1 and D2 only. We cannot forecast the stage 3 over here because the possibility, chances to be happen for 3 stage dominance is quite low. Because right now we are predicting only. So that's why dominance only can do up to 2 stages. If you have any question, please raise up during the class time. So thank you.